All right, 8th grade math. This is lesson 8, calculating the final cost. All right, calculating the final cost. Now, our vocabulary, we have sale price is the price after the discount has been subtracted. Reminder, the amount of the discount is the amount that is subtracted from the original price. And reminder that a sales tax is the amount added to the cost. So, Latoya wants to buy a portable cassette player. The regular price is $42. It is on sale for 20% off. What is the sale price? You multiply to find the discount. So you take the regular price times the discount, you get the amount of discount. Now you have to take the regular price minus the discount to get the sales price. Problem number 2. The sales tax where Latoya lives is 3.25%. Find the total price she will pay on the for the cassette player. The sales tax is added to the price of an item. Well, we figured out that the price from the problem up above was $33.60. The tax rate, if you convert it to a decimal, is 0.0325. And then you will multiply that. That gives you the tax, which you'd put in terms of dollars, which is $1.09. And then you add that to the total price. So when Latoya is walking out of the store, her cassette player has cost her $33.69. That is the final cost. So on problem number 1, it says find the sales tax of a denim shirt with a regular price of $34. The discount is 15%. So if I take 34 and I multiply that by 15%, I get a price of $5.10. That is the amount of the discount. Now I have to take $34 and I have to subtract my discount. So I'm going to take $34 minus $5.10, and I get $28.90. On my calculator, it showed up as 28.9, but we're talking terms of money. So that is the sale price. So that is the guided practice. You need to pause the video now, get this information copied down before going on to the next. All right, on this guided practice, it says find the total price of an auto cassette with a price of $12.75 and a sales tax of 4%. Well, they have the problem done for you. You just have to come up with the answer. So you take $12.75 and you multiply it by 0.04. Doing this on my calculator, and I get 0.51, and that's in terms of dollars. So it's 51 cents is the amount of tax. So to get my total price, what I'm going to give the cashier as I walk out, I'm going to write that right here. And then I'm going to add that together. So the money I have to give the cashier is $13.26. Because you cannot buy a cassette for what is listed on the price tag. You have to pay tax. Now, get that copied down before going on to the exercises. So pause the video now. All right, we have 8 problems in the exercises. Hint, right here it says estimate. I don't want exact answers. So I'm going to give myself a little room off to the side for number 3. And I'm going to give you number 3 and number 7. Then you have to do the other problems. So it says Keith has a coupon for 25% off a plane ticket that normally costs $179. What is the price that Keith will pay? Well, I'm going to take $179 and I'm going to multiply that by 25%. And I get an answer of $44.75. Now that's my discount. That is my discount. So now I have to take the $44.75 and I have to subtract it from the $179, the regular price. And my answer comes out to be $134.25. I took 179 and I multiplied that by 25%, and that gave me my discount of 44. Let's see, what was my discount? So my discount was $44.75. Then I had to take 179 minus my amount of discount to give me what I pay. So you are going to do problems 3, 4, and 5. They are very much similar to that problem. When you get down to number 7, it says estimate by rounding the price. So it says find the sale price of a TV after a 20% discount. The regular price is $382.14. If I was me, I would probably round that up to like 400, because you got to pay tax, right? So why not do it at 400? So you can take 400 and you multiply by 20%, and you're going to multiply by 20, and that gives me a discount of $80. Now that's the discount. So I have to take that 400 minus 80, and that gives me $320. So it says find the sale price. That is my sales price of $320. I estimated. I do not want an exact amount. So pause the video now. You are going to get problems 3 through 8 done on your own. When you come back, you will do the application. All right, on the application, it says, which is the better buy? A pair of shoes that originally cost $49 but is reduced by 20%, or a pair of shoes that originally cost 35 cents but has now been reduced by 15%? Give the answer, then explain how a calculator can help you with comparison shopping. So you have got to do do the problems. Now, don't forget, it's 49, 20% off, 35, 15% off. Which is the better buy? Write your answers out, then explain how a calculator can help you when you are with comparison shopping. When you are finished with this assignment, don't forget to do what I ask you to do when I ask you to stop. Make sure everything's written down. Use your resources, iPad calculator. Submit it to me through Canvas. Don't forget to mark it as done in Canvas. Good luck and have fun.